Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We're here another day for another fantastic and extremely easy fast recipe. And today is the turn of salmon a la pimienta or salmon pepper style. This is very fast, as I said, so keep your eyes peeled or you will miss it. Here we go. And the way that we start is by putting the salmon fillets in a deep dish. Then we will add the salt. I use pink salt. You use whichever salt you prefer. Then we will add the pepper. And then we will cover with wine. The amount of wine that we will use is about half of the thickness of the salmon, and then we will cover and we will put in the fridge for about 2 hours to marinate. So after a couple of hours, I've got my fish here. In the end, I covered it with white wine because I can see it needed it. My mom's recipe didn't say how much you needed to put, how much wine, so in the end I decided I would cover it all. Then what we will do is we will oil the tray, or a tray, and we will transfer the steaks, the fish steaks, onto the tray. And once we have them in the tray, we will put them in under the grill for about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on your grill. Just make sure they're cooked through and they are toasty at the top. Right. So I had it in under the grill for about 8 minutes, and this is how it's come out. I have to tell you, as simple as it is, the smell is delicious. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Right. So here you are, my friends. This is salmon a la pimienta or salmon pepper style. Lovely. I've served it with roasted potatoes, parsnips and carrots. I wanted to do a dauphinoise. I thought it would be more fitting for this dish, but I didn't have any cream, so I opted for roasted potatoes, which is very British, not Spanish at all, but we like mixing things up. So as with everything, do subscribe, like and share. I'll see you on the next video because I'm looking forward to have dinner tonight. See you later. Bye.